So today I will be solving word problem by using matrix properties. So word problem is a trust invested some money into two types of bond. The first bond pays 10% interest and second pays 12% interest. The trust received rupees 2800 as interest. However, if trust had interchanged money in bonds, they would have got rupees 100 less interest. Using matrix method, find the amount of invested by the trust. So first I will do, let rupees x and rupees y be the amount of money invested in first and second bond. So now I will change this into equation form. It will be equal to x into 10% will be 10 divided by 100 plus y into 12% will be 12 divided by 100 will be equal to 2800. So it will be equal to 10x plus 12y will be equal to 2,80,000. So it is the first equation, and second will be, I will change this values, and here 2800 minus 100 will be done. So it will be equal to x into 12 divided by 100 plus y into 10 divided by 100 will be equal to 2800 minus 100, because here 100 rupees less will be given as interest. So it will be, equation will be 12x plus 10y is equal to 2,70,000. So this is the second equation. So I will change now this into ax is equal to b form. So here a will be equal to 10, 12 and 10. X will be equal to x and y, and b will be equal to 2,80,000 and 2,70,000. So now I will find now determinant a, which will be equal to 10, 12, 10, which will be equal to 10 into 10 minus 12 into 12, which will be equal to 100 minus 144. So it will be equal to minus 44, which will be not equal to 0. Therefore unique solution exists. So now I will be finding A inverse 1, which will be equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A, which will be equal to 1 by minus 44, and adjoint of A will be 10 minus 12 minus 12 and 10. So now I will put this in x equal to a inverse b form, which will be equal to x y equals to a inverse will be 1 minus 44 divide 1 by minus 44, sorry. So 12 minus 12 minus 12 10, and b will be 2,80,000 and 2,70,000. So it will be equal to 1 by minus 44. So this is 2 by 2 and this is 1 by 2, so it will give 2 by 2 form. So here now, sorry, here it will be 2 by 1, so it will give 2 by 1 form. So here 10 into 2,80,000 will be equal to, sorry, it will be 28 lakh minus, so minus 12 into 2,70,000 will be equal to 32,40,000, and here minus 12 into 20, sorry, it will 2,80,000 will be equal to minus 33,60,000 minus 10 into 2,70,000 will be equal to 27 lakhs. So it will be 20, sorry, here it will be plus 2 5. So here now, by simplifying this, I will get 1 by minus 44 into, so it will be minus 4,40,000 and minus 6,60,000. So now by dividing this and this, I will get x and y. So it will be equal to, here minus will be cut from both. So first dividing this, I will get 10,000 and dividing this by this, I will get 15,000. So here x will be equal to rupees 10,000 and y will be equal to rupees 15,000. So this is our answer.